Hello, this is Rutger Volkma, part of the Farming Sim minigame project. Um, this is the production studio's presentation for the end of the Milestone. The presentation was created by Peasant Party, which is the Farming Sim minigame project. The project founder and product owner is Amanda, and the team lead and designer is Trey. Some of the programmers are Isai, Michael, Jessica, and Miles. The designers are Marquez and I, and then the art is Austin. Our project is called Farming Sim, and the overall vision is to have a series of farming based mini games where people can compete with each other to see who's the best farmer among your friends. Currently, we have one mini game in development. It's not necessarily included on the presentation, but it's called currently Cream of the Crop. But as the project grows, we hope to expand into making other games and something more. The first milestone, we planned on designing the minigame, implementing some of the game logic, creating assets, finding sound effects and audio, and general conceptualization. By the next milestone, we want to implement concepts, multiplayer elements, AI players, points, and a win condition system. And for milestone 3, some scenes for minigame phases, practice mode, UI instructions, documentation / workflow for another minigame. The current progress in terms of design, we have fully fleshed out the design for what the game will look like, how the mechanics of the game will work, and how the players will perform well / win in the game. We made sketches of what the game will look like potentially, sketches of how the game will be played, the different stages in each phase, as well as how it will work out mechanically. Some of the design work, some imagery for it. In the bottom right, this is the UI that Trey built. He wanted to sort of show what it would look like in each resolution. Here's some of the button mechanics and stuff. This was a conversation that Trey and I had earlier when the game was first being created. I think that was actually the first day, but we were talking about how the game could be played. Oh, I know that's just one screen. That was a bit later. And here is the state machine. This is something the designers created so the programmers could have just a better idea. And in terms of programming, they've made a lot of progress. They've implemented a timer to keep track of each phase of the game manager class, main menu, game start sequence, scene loading, and pushing from Unity to GitHub with various lines of code. This is sort of a mixture between milestones 1 and 2, as we're getting a lot of the initial programming done, but yeah, we're getting we're getting some programming done from both milestones. Here's some of the images. I don't necessarily understand that. I'm sure if I moved a bit closer, I could find it and stuff. So this is something to do with the class. I assume this is oh, that's the timer. Oh, this is about timer stuff. I don't know. I do hope to again um, learn some programming so I can be of more use during the next milestone. Future goals, with the majority of our milestone 1 goals completed, we're looking to finish the rest of it and get a jump start into milestone 2. That's actually currently what we are working on. We finished a lot of the milestone 1 goals, and now some of the people who don't have a lot of work are going to milestone 2 as well as look for work, where we implement everything we've conceptualized along with AI players and multiplayer functionality. And that's it.